What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl again, and today what I'm gonna do for you, roasted fish stuffed with callaloo. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay guys, as I told you guys before, I'm doing roast fish stuffed with callaloo, carrots, okra, and over here I have some seasoning over here. So as you can see, I already cut up my carrots and my okra, and over here I have my sweet peppers, my thyme, scallion, and garlic. And as you can see, I have my callaloo here. I'm using the one in the tin, but if you have the one from the store, like the one you have to cut up, and you can use it. It depends, you can use it. And right here are my fish. So as you can see, I have my saucepan over here, my pan over here. So I'm gonna put a little oil. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add in my seasoning and I'm gonna saute. So this is what I'm gonna put my callaloo in, because the callaloo is already cooked. I'm just gonna saute. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna make the peppers saute too much because I don't want them to get soft. So I'm gonna add in my carrots and my okra. Actually, the okra that I'm using is the one that come in the pack. Because I didn't see the fresh one at the store, so I ended up getting the frozen one. But it works good anyway. It's the same thing. So I'm gonna add a little piece of margarine. So I add some margarine to it. So I'm gonna leave it there like for 2 minutes. So as you can see, guys, this is my callaloo. I already drained the water off and I rinse it with some water. I don't know who else do it, but I always do that. I think I'm weird, but I don't think so. I'm gonna mix it in. It looks so colorful and nice. So I'm gonna add some salt. Not too much because you know the fish already seasoned well proper already. I'm gonna put a little all-purpose season. This looks so colorful and smells so good. So guys, I'm gonna leave this like for 5 minutes because you already know the callaloo is already cooked. So I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes to simmer for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna take you through the rest of the process. So stay tuned. Okay, so I turn off the stove now. So when I take it to the next stage, what I'm gonna do, guys, if you smell this, it smells so good and it looks so delicious. My God. So as you can see, guys, I'm gonna put my fish in the foil. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clearly put some butter on it, and what the butter does, it helps the fish not to stick on the foil. So you don't want to like take out your fish ready to eat and then you see the skin come off on the foil. So I'm gonna put the butter on, and the butter prevents it from stick to the foil. So here I have my fish, so I'm gonna get my stuffing and stuff my fish. You can see I'm putting all my stuffings up to the head. So I'm gonna put my thyme. I'm gonna stuff my thyme in because you still want to get that flavor inside, you know. So my fish. So I'm gonna roll it in the foil paper. So I'm going to go in with a second layer of foil, but you don't have to put any butter on the second layer. I'm going to roll it tightly, and I'm going to lock the sides. So this is the last and final one. So I'm going to do like so, and do like so. And each time you roll, guys, you have to press to make sure that it's tightly wrapped. And then you turn it over and you fold both ends because you don't want the juice to come out. So okay guys, now I'm finished. I'm gonna put it on the tray. You can put it on a tray, you can put it on inside your oven on your grill just like that, but I want to put it on a tray because if in case anything is draining from it, I don't want it to go down in the stove. So I'm gonna place them down on my tray like this. So my oven is already preheated to 500. So I'm gonna roast these fish for 30 minutes. Normally if you're cooking fish, it takes less time, but because I'm roasting this in the oven, I'm gonna make it stay there for 30 minutes. So stay tuned, be right back. So guys, I'm gonna have my roast fish with some bami. Over here I have 2 bami soaking in coconut milk. See? You can see my fish is already done, so I'm gonna open the file and let you guys see what's inside. And over here I have my frying pan with some oil to fry my bami. So I'm opening the file to see what's inside. I'm so excited. Oh, there you go. Wow, look at that guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you this one guys. This one, I think I didn't put enough butter on the foil. So what happened, the skin came off, piece of the skin came off on the foil. So that's why it's important to put butter, line the foil paper with butter so the fish won't stick. So as you can see, the skin is off, but it's okay, but it's juicy y'all. So as y'all can see, I have my bami over here frying. So guys, that's the result of my roasted fish, my roast fish. Look at that. Look at the stuffing inside. It sits in place. See that? And it tastes so delicious. So I'm gonna have it with some bami. So that's the result of my roast fish, and here I have some bami right here. So I'm gonna have it with bami. So remember to like this video, share this video among your friends, your family, and hit that notification button so you know each time I upload a video. And don't be afraid to comment down below and tell me what you think about my video. Until next time, bye.